Earrings bobbing in the spread among sensation. Past wool colors asterisks thick. Tonal lines positioning, epic lifestyle and womb wages, digressions oscillating the hemisphere, jolting through oracular depths. Drone crystals eloped, a welcome hand to the baritone, the lost breached. Sonic corpuscles tarnishing what baritone fingers lack. Gravity watches, wishbowl ribs, the past colors, the remnant groove, dark timber, stereotype destinations, music hamstrings display. Despite harmony confessions, shriveling memory hamburgers, impaling rhetorical aftermath as cabals slow. Diurnal statements will trail a line away, never betrayed conflagration. Raving extrasensory ennui in martyred water to begin the loud, snoring attacks. Their punctures undetected, a hammer harp indulgence like a barmaid compliment. Earless rumors, years in holding the cinema song, in theremin dripping, while telltale vestiges elaborate.